We are students of elementary school Eugen Kvaternik in Velika Gorica in Croatia. We are currently in our city museum. We made a modernized version of our city museum.
The museum has alarm system and does basic function by itself.
The idea came to us when we were in the museum and we wanted to modernize it. It has many features. It counts how many people come in and how many get out.
If more than 5 people are inside at the same time, it shows the warning and doesn't allow anyone else to go in until someone leaves.
Yeehaw!
Someone gets close to the exhibit, the lights behind it turns on slowly and remains on until they move away.
The stolen phototransistors in the floor detected it and alarm turns on. It can be turned off on the remote control.
It also has an air conditioning unit and fire alarm. If temperature is over 24 degrees Celsius, cooling fan turns on and remains on until temperature is under 23 degrees Celsius. If temperature is over 40 degrees Celsius, alarm turned on.
Lights turn on automatically if it's dark outside.